Look. That's the shapes. You don't know the shapes yet. This is the numbers. What's this? Oh. What's a square? Rectangle. Square. Square. Rectangle. Diamond. What's that? Not A. What's that? 3. Yes. How about this one? What's that? I can't hear what you're saying. No, Bobo. Wait. Wait. Later. Later, Bobo. What's this? What's that? That's A. What's that? C. What's that? B. What's this? What's that? Cat. Yes. D for dancer. He don't know the answer. What's this? What's this? What's this, Jacob? Look. Okay. What's that? That's hair. They're trying to say hair. Hair. Yeah. What's this? A baby, yes. What's that? What's that? A doggy, yes. What's that? What's this? What's that? What is that? That's a nose. Say nose. What's that? A what? A buff. A what? That's an ox. What's this? What's that? Huh? That's not a chicken. That's a birdie. That's a peacock. Peacock. Say peacock. Okay. What's this? What's this here? What's this? What's this, Jacob? That's a queen. What's this? What's that? What are these? What's this? No? What's that? Okay. You don't know the shapes yet. Here. Let's see the animals. Let's see the animals. What's that? Huh? It's an elephant. Say elephant. Elephant.
Okay.
Say elephant.
Cocky.
You cocky? Okay.
Cocky.
Taking a break for cocky.